Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to get more sales in your affiliate marketing business. So stay tuned. Hey, so welcome back. Today's going to be a very short video, but I'm going to get right down to the nitty gritty, right down to the point of what you need to know so you can go out and start making more sales in your affiliate marketing business. But while you're here, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload during the week. I help part-time entrepreneurs create full-time success online so they can enjoy their families, travel the world, and just be able to do what they want to do where money is not an issue. So today we're going to be talking about 5 ways or 5 tips to make more sales in your affiliate marketing business. Now, when I first got started in affiliate marketing, when I first started doing this, I didn't have a clue of what I'm about to teach you today. I didn't know, the right way to do things. And all I knew was I joined a company. They gave me a link. I went out and shared my link with other people. And I knew that was a way for me to go ahead and make sales, right? And I did that for a little while and I got a few sales here and there. But then after the company started getting more people joining, very popular company at the time, more people started joining. And guess what? Then I saw my sales kind of go down to where I wasn't getting any sales at all. And I was trying to figure out, what happened? What changed? It's the same capture page. It's the same video. What changed in my business? So today I'm just going to share with you real quick 5 tips that you can implement in your marketing business right now to start getting more sales. Hey, so now we're in my screen. So I like to use this because it can give you a little bit more of a visual of what I want to talk about. So the first tip of, that I want to talk about how you can get more sales in your affiliate marketing business is you got to identify your target market. So I'm going to use TM for target market, right? You got to identify your target market. Right. So here's the thing with your target market. Basically, your target market is the people that you want to talk to, the people that resonate with your message, the people that you want to help, right? Once you know who your target market is, you need to start speaking that language, creating content so they can find you, right? And number one way I like to create content for people to find me or my target market is doing YouTube videos. So start creating content around your particular target market problems, right? Figure out what their problems are and go out and do content based on their problems and answer their problems. And then at the end of that content, provide them with a solution, which is basically your network marketing company or your affiliate marketing company, whatever that may be, right? That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, let me put a 1 here. Tip number 2 is you want to build your own list, right? So here's the thing. When you join a company, right, they're going to give you a lead capture page, right? That connects to a VSL, which is a video sales letter, right? And that's going to go to a buy page. Let's just put the word buy. And basically, you drive traffic to this page here. You drive traffic to this page. The company generates the lead, and then the lead sees the video sales letter. And if they buy, guess what? You generate a sale. You generate a sale. If they don't buy, the company then follow up with them with email, right? The company follow up with them with email. So here's the missing link. Here's why you need to build your own list. Just say this company goes out of business, right? All the leads that you drove to this capture page, you don't own. They own them. So now your list, which is your number 1 asset in your business, remember that your list is your number 1 asset in your business. Now, because you don't own that list, is gone. Guess what? Your asset is gone as well. So you need to start building your own list so you're able to communicate with them in your own words and how you speak in your language, your message to your list, to basically your target market. Maybe you went out and had a bite to eat. Maybe you got a lesson from the waiter or the waitress and you want to share it with your list. Where if you're not building your own list and you let the company do everything for you, you can't share that, right? You can't share that. Or maybe you got other offers that you want to share with your list because you got other things that complement what you do. You can't share, right? Because you don't own it, because you drove all the traffic to this page right here, to the company's web page, right? So you got to build your own list, right? You got to build your own list, and you do that by having an autoresponder connected to a lead capture page system. Some people use lead pages, some people use ClickFunnels. I'll drop the links in the comments below, so in the description below, so you can check out whatever one you decide. Me personally, I use both of them. I use lead pages and ClickFunnels to capture my leads, and I use Aweber to really communicate with my leads. And I'll talk about that later. Tip number 3, right? Tip number 3 is use a bridge page. So let's get back to this. Let me go ahead and clear this real quick so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let me do a blank, bam. So bridge page, tip number 3, bridge page. I'm gonna do BP for bridge page, right? So here's basically what a bridge page is. So like I told you in the beginning, the company provides you with a lead capture page, right? They provide you with a VSL, video sales letter, which goes to a buy page, right? So basically all the bridge page is a page that goes in between the lead capture page and the video sales letter page. And here's why that's important. So the person opts into the lead capture page, right? When they hit here, I'm gonna put just BP for bridge page. This bridge page, right, links them to the VSL, the video sales letter, which links them to the buy page. It's just an extra page in the middle, right here. So this is the page you want to create. And the reason you want to create this page, because this page is basically, maybe it could be a video of you, right? Video of you sharing a message to branch them over to the video sales letter. It could be maybe a written page with a picture branching them over to the next page, which is the video sales letter. Basically, it's a medium that you interject in between the lead capture page and the sales page, where you introduce them to what's going on next. So say you opted into a page, right? You opted in, and then the next video pops up is the person sharing, hey, welcome to my page. What you're about to see on the next page is a income opportunity that's going to show you blah, blah, blah. Basically, it's that page right here in the middle that you create. And basically, this page here separates you from anybody else in the company who is just using this model here, who's just using this basic model. Now, this model will work, but over time, you want to start graduating to this model here. You want to graduate to this model where you got your lead capture page, your bridge page, where it could be written page of you sharing some information, branching them over to the video sales letter. But what I saw work most effectively is the video sales page, bridge page, where it's you doing a video branching them over to the VSL page. And again, you can do all of this using ClickFunnels or lead pages. And again, I'll provide that link in the description below. So let me go ahead and clear this real quick, because like I told you, I said this video is going to be short and sweet and to the point. If you need to recap the information, just rewind the video back and just look at it one more time so you can get a grasp of exactly what I was sharing. I know I'm kind of going a little fast. So the next tip you want to do to make more sales in your affiliate marketing company, right, is to do review videos, right? Review videos, right? And basically what this is you doing a review of your company, or you doing a review of your product or service or whatever you're promoting at the time. And there's basically a couple of ways you can do it. And you want to do an honest review, right? You don't want to just do something to spoof it up to try to make sales. You want to give a real honest review of what they should expect if they buy this product, or if they use this tool, or whatever service you're promoting. And basically one of the great ways I saw that you can do it that really is effective, you can go into the back office, or you can get the tool and you can show them a tutorial or a demonstration of what you're actually doing. That's an effective review video, because it builds more trust. It eases the pain that they don't know what they're getting into, what's on the other side. And you can show them that, because here's the thing. If you're doing a review video, make sure you own it, because that builds even more trust. The worst thing you can do a review video and trying to get somebody to buy a product or service that you don't even own. So if you're doing review videos of other products and services, and you're trying to get people to buy those products and services, make sure you own that product, because it's a better way to get more sales. Plus, you're showing them the inside of it, what's going on, how they can use it, and what to expect when they pull out that credit card and buy. All right. Tip number 5, and we're almost finished. Tip number 5 is offer bonuses, right? Offer bonuses and when you're promoting your affiliate marketing or network marketing or a tool or whatever you're promoting. Here's why this is key. This is going to set you apart. If you offer bonuses, this gives you an upper edge of people who are not offering bonuses, right? It gives you an upper edge. The bonus could be, hey, if they join today, they get in your private Facebook group. Or if they join today, you're going to give them a 15-minute coaching session, right? And even if you are a beginner, right? Even if you are a beginner, you can look at your team, or you can look at your sponsor, or you can look at things that you own already, and you can use those as bonus, as an extra leverage, right? To get people to join you, right? To get people to join you. So, hey, look, I want to do this quick video. I wanted to be under 10 minutes, just to give you a little insight on how, as a beginner, how you can make more affiliate sales, right? 5 ways you can make more affiliate sales in your affiliate marketing business, right? I mean, if you actually execute this stuff and put it to work, you'll definitely see an increase in your sales, and you'll definitely see, hey, how now you can see what, no matter what you're doing, no matter what you promote, you can use these same tips I just gave you today. You can use the same tips and implement it and producing more sales or getting more traction for that particular company or that particular affiliate product. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for now. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.